"100,000 years ago, a civilization known as the Forerunners came in contact with an extragalactic parasite they referred to as the Flood. Initially, they believed the Flood to be something easily cauterized, something they would be able to root out, destroy, and potentially cure. But this was not the case. The parasite's life cycle begins as a series of small infection forms, spores which violently seize and transform any living creature with sufficient biomass and some level of sentience. The host then becomes a combat form, the Flood's most commonly known state, where it takes the living being and uses its memories and physical abilities to leverage control over weapons, ships, and anything within its grasp. Eventually, the Flood produces carrier forms which perpetuate the species by releasing more infection spores near any potential hosts, further spreading the parasite wherever it can. Once the Flood's outbreak has stabilized across a given environment, reaching a kind of critical mass, they begin to create a centralized intelligence or compound mind, something known as a grave mind. This extremely powerful creature can both control and direct the Flood, using its victims' knowledge to locate and consume populations on other worlds. The Forerunners eventually destroyed the Flood when they activated the Halo Array, 7 Ringworld weapons they had placed throughout the galaxy as a last resort and fatal solution to the parasite. The Flood, however, would re-emerge when containment protocol was breached on 2 of the rings, and a human known as the Master Chief was forced to once again destroy them. While the last of the parasite's active strain is said to have been destroyed during the conflict at the Forerunners' Ark installation, dormant specimens may still exist on the remaining 6 Halo rings, though their current status is unknown.